Hey viewers, this is the day 122nd of my journey to improve my communication skills. Starting with the 2 days TSA practice, again I solved the daily lead code streak problem. The problem was very simple and easy. So the problem statement was we have to find the smallest divisible product sum and we have to return it to the function. So basically we have a given two numbers. First one is n and second one is t. We have to calculate the smallest number which may be greater than or equal to the n, and the product of that digit numbers which present in the digits is numbers which are present in the numbers which are present in the n should be divisible by the t. This is basically the problem statement. So to calculate this, first of all, I initialize the product is equals to 1. Then uh, in product I store the value of n modulus 10 because modulus will give us the uh, remainder of the problem statement. Whatever the remainder will come, it will give us, and then again I divide it with 10 after divisions. Every step, one in a digit number will be removed. So after doing this step, in the final we will calculate the whatever the product is if after modulus with t modulus with t it gives us 0. That means it is completely divisible by t, and if not, then we have to increment the value. And first of all we have to calculate with the n, then increment by 1 2 3 4 until or unless we won't get the final result, which is the product of the digit should be divisible by t. So after solving this problem, I focused on my reading skills, and I continued reading the book How to Influence People and How to Win Friends. And two days I uh, read about the topic which is how to interest the people. And the conclusion of the whole the title is we have to speak or we have to talk as per the interest of the other people. This is the only solution if you really want to interest in other people, and if you really want other people to take interest in you. This is the only one and only short solution. We have to talk in terms of the other person interest. So coming to the vocabulary skills, I what are the words I encountered with whose meaning I don't know. Like the first word which I learned today is skirmish. Skirmish basically means a small battle or a uh, small fight with someone. And if I have to make a sentence on it, the sentence will be the soldiers were in the s- skirmish near the border. So this is a sentence we can make on it. So another word which I learned today is intrigue. Intrigue basically means when you are quite interested, curious or interested in something, then we can use the word intrigued. Another word which I learned today is drumming. Drumming have two meanings and in two contexts. It basically depends upon for what context you are talking about. If we are talking about drumming, then it have a different meaning. And another meaning of a drumming is when you are keep repeating something again and again so that other person store it in in their mind. That in that context also we can use the word drumming. And the last word which I learned today was skirmish is done, then drumming is done, then intrigued is done, then enthused. Enthused basically the person is very excited or having very energy to learn or to some motivate something. Then we can use the word enthused. And sentence we formed on it like the coach the coach was enthused the team before the match. This is all about day 122nd of my journey to improve my communication skills. Still learning, still focusing, still trying to improve whatever the words I am using, trying to reduce the use of the filler words and also improve my vocabulary so that my communication not looks like a beginner communication. I can make it a not a advanced like intermediate level, so I can maintain the talk with the people. And one more thing to learn new vocabulary words is because if you don't know the meanings, you can never interpret the meaning of the sentence, and it is also helpful for if you are preparing for any government exams, they will definitely ask synonyms and antonyms. And if you know the meaning, you can definitely tick the correct options. This is all about day 102nd of my journey, 122nd of my journey to improve my communication skills. See you tomorrow with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.